The secret is out. I'm telling you right now, of all social media, this is probably the easiest one to get an official artist channel. There is a link in the description with the instructions from Google/YouTube on how to do this, but I'm gonna break it down in a super quick, super easy way to follow. Not only does this attract more people to your channel, but it makes you as an artist appear more professional and reputable to have that little note beside your artist name. So let's go over this quickly. The number one thing you need, a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel dedicated to you as an artist. Whether you have uploads right now or not, doesn't matter. Go and create a YouTube channel if you don't have one. Of everything I'm going to tell you, this is the most important, so pay attention. You need at least 3 official releases on YouTube delivered by a music distributor or record label. Now, the easiest way to do this is to self-release 3 tracks and get a simple music video made to put up on your channel. Pretty well all of the major music distribution portals are verified distributors with YouTube. And the last thing, pretty obvious, but no YouTube policy violations. I would suggest if you do have one on your current channel, if you have any strikes, create an artist email and then start a new YouTube channel with that email instead. All right, so you've done all that, now what? Since I self-released quite a few tracks, it was very easy for me to contact Labelworks and get them to get me verified. That's exactly what you're going to do. Contact your distributor, ask them to start the process for getting an official artist YouTube channel. Mine contacted me back within a couple days and said, we'll get the process started. Simple as that. It did take a while. I would say it probably took 2 to 3 months. I followed up with them probably at 1 month, and they mentioned they're on a huge backlog right now, but rest assured it will happen. And as you know, it obviously did. So here we are on my YouTube channel, and you'll see some interesting differences for an official artist channel versus a non-verified channel. So if we scroll down here, well, you'll notice, of course, I have the music checkmark, official artist channel. And then we go right here, albums and singles, as well as music videos. So this was actually curated by YouTube itself when my channel got verified. YouTube's algorithm was able to automatically create these playlists for me. Another great feature of being a verified artist is the ability to share posts directly to the people following your channel. So let's click on my Tiesto the Business remix. And if you go down here to this little share button, share in a post, I can legitimately create a post. Post, here is my community tab and all the videos that I have posted on here. I mean, if you fit the criteria, why wouldn't you apply to have an official artist channel on YouTube? So that's the big secret. It's literally that easy. I hope this video helped you. Good luck getting verified, and we'll talk soon.